Welcome to my channel. Let me show you how to prepare dum style mutton biryani today. Let's start with cooking the mutton first. For this I'm going to use an instant pot. I have taken about 1.5 pounds of mutton. To this I'm going to add 1 green chilli which I have split into half, 5 garlic cloves, 4 roughly chopped shallots, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, and then 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, and some salt to it. Now let's add about 2 cups of water and let it cook in pressure cook mode for about 20 minutes. If you are using a pressure cooker, you can cook it for about 7 to 8 whistles. So now let's start preparing the biryani masala. For this I'm adding about 2 bay leaves and 3 cardamoms, 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Let's roast this for about a minute and then let it cool and ground it into fine powder. This homemade masala is going to add nice flavor for our biryani. And then for the biryani I'm taking about 1 cup of basmati rice and I'm going to soak this in normal water for about 20 minutes. Now let's start preparing the biryani. For this I'm going to take a pan and heat it, and once it is hot I'm going to add some oil until the base is completely coated with oil. Once the oil is hot enough, let's add 1 green chilli, 1 medium sized onion thinly sliced. Saute the onions until they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, let's add about 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for about a minute and then let's add about 2 small tomatoes. Saute this for about a minute and then let's close the lid and let it sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the tomatoes are well smashed, let's add the required amount of salt. Then let's add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, and about 1/4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Now let's mix everything together and let's add the cooked mutton into it. I have grounded the masala powders which we prepared, so I'm adding that to this now. Now let's add about a handful of cilantro, a handful of mint leaves, and let this cook for about 20 minutes. As we are preparing the biryani in dum style, what I'm going to do is boil some water. Add 1 star anise, 2 cardamoms, some fennel seeds, and 3 cloves. Wash the rice and add this boiling water into the rice and soak it for another 20 minutes. So the rice is gonna get soaked for 20 minutes and the masalas are also gonna get cooked for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, you'll see the oil getting separated at the top of the masalas. Let's add in some lime juice. I'm adding half lime juice and then let's start layering the rice and then some cilantros and then some mint leaves. Now let's close the lid and you need to keep this in dum for another 20 minutes. For dum, what I'm going to do is heat a tawa and place this biryani over the tawa and cook it for about 20 minutes in medium flame. It's 20 minutes now. Let's open the lid and check how the biryani is cooked. You can see the biryani is cooked well. I'm going to serve this wonderful biryani with raita. You can pick any side of your choice. Try this recipe and let me know if you have any feedbacks. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe for updates.